Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the difference between software testing and debugging. So starting with, first we will see what is software testing and what is debugging. And after that, we will see one by one the differences. So software testing is a process of verifying and validating that a software or application is a bug-free and the software meets the technical requirement as guided by its design and development and meet the user requirements effectively and efficiently. The next is what is debugging. So debugging is the process of detecting and removing of existing and potential errors, also called bugs, in the software code that can cause it to behave unexpectedly or crash the system. Also, debugging is used to prevent incorrect operation of a software or system. Where here debugging is used to find the bugs and resolve the bugs or defects. So here I have given nine differences between software testing and debugging. We will see one by one. In this left panel, I have given the info about testing and here about debugging. So we will see one by one. First one is testing is the process to find bugs and errors. As I said, what software testing do? It is a process to find bugs and errors. And here debuggers means debugging is the process to correct the bugs found during the testing. The bugs which we found during the testing, we use debugging to correct these bugs. Okay. The next one is testing is the process to identify the failure of implemented code, where debugging is the process to give the absolution to the code failure. Third one is testing is the display of errors while the debugging is detective process. Fourth one is testing is done by the tester while debugging is done by either programmer or developer. The fifth difference is there is no need of design knowledge in the testing process. In debugging, we can't done debugging without the proper knowledge of design. Okay, proper design knowledge. The next one is testing can be done either insider or as well as outsider. But for debugging, it is done only by the insider. Outsider can't do debugging. The next difference is testing can be manual or automated. While the debugging is always manual, debugging can be automated. The eighth difference, it is based on different testing level. So testing is based on different testing levels like unit testing, integration testing, system testing. While the debugging is based on different types of bugs. The last difference is testing is a stage of software development lifecycle. While the debugging is not an aspect of software development lifecycle, it occurs because of testing. So these are the different important differences between software testing and debugging. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.